Well. Yes, I am here today to talk about the all-new ITR e-filing portal. Hi everyone, I am Bhavna from ClearTax. In my video today, let's see what are the 5 must-know features you need to know about the new e-filing portal. You can access the new portal at www.incometax.gov.in. The new portal will have a single dashboard which will provide certain benefits. Number 1. Tutorials, guidance notes and videos. The landing page of the new portal has a tab with all the categories of taxpayers. The new portal has guidance notes related to ITR forms, tax slabs as well as tax deductions that will be applicable under the drop-down of each category of taxpayers. The ITR department has also uploaded guidance videos on income tax under the section Things to Know in the pre-login stage for the benefit of its users. Number 2, which is Prefill ITR. ITR utilities will be pre-filled with details such as salary income, interest, dividend and capital gains once TDS and SFT details are uploaded by the concerned entity. The new portal also allows taxpayers to update their profile details. Details once updated by the taxpayers will be pre-filled in his or her ITR utility. Pre-filling of ITRs will simplify the written filing process and reduce tax evasion. Number 3. Launch of a mobile app. The new income tax portal will be available on mobile phones in form of an app. This app will be available soon and will help taxpayers get used to the new features. All the important features of the income tax portal, which is available on the desktop, will be made available on the mobile app too. Number 4. Chatbot Assistance. A chatbot or a live agent will promptly assist taxpayers in filing their ITRs and also helping in resolving various other income tax related queries. The portal also extends digital assistance to the taxpayers via various detailed FAQs, videos and user manuals. The new portal is also to have a new call center for prompt resolution of the user queries. Number 5. A tax payment facility. The new portal now provides an income tax payment facility to the taxpayers, which is currently provided by the NSDL portal. The new payment system will be launched by 18th June 2021 to avoid inconvenience caused to taxpayers while paying the first installment of the advance tax. The new system will provide taxpayers with a variety of payment options such as UPI, credit card, NEFT, RTGS and net banking. With the launch of the new portal, users are advised to re-register the DSC as the old ones are not migrated due to security issues. Also, they are advised to update the user ID and mobile number under primary contacts in their profile, link Aadhaar and pre-validate bank account if not done previously, and reset e-filing vault higher security options. Alternatively, you can file your ITR on Black by ClearTax, an app that simplifies ITR filing and investments for you. On Black, you can not only file your ITR within 7 minutes, but you can also e-verify it in a few simple steps and also track your tax refund if any. So wait no more. Download Black right now from the link mentioned in the description box below and explore the fantastic features of the app. Do let us know what you think of the app in the comment section below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please do like, share and comment, and do subscribe to our channel so that you get a notification every time we upload a new video. Stay tuned for more updates.